YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these super easy little rug coasters. So let's go ahead, check out the material, and let's get started. The materials that I'm using for today's tutorial is just some 4-weight acrylic yarn, a medium weight. Any yarn will work. I'm using a J 6mm crochet hook, and you will need a pair of scissors. That is all, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting with a slip knot, go ahead and make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now we are going to make an additional 3 chains, so 1, 2, and 3. And now, excuse me, in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to do double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, and here's the 4th. And go ahead and work a double crochet. And then work 1 double crochet all the way across the chain, and I will meet you at the end. Okay, so here I have done 1 row of double crochet. Something I do want to mention, the 3 chains where we did our turn at the beginning will count as a stitch. So we have a total of 12 stitches at the moment. We are going on to row 2. We are going to chain up 3. This is going to count as a stitch, so we are not going to work into the first stitch directly next to our hook. We're going to do a double crochet into the second hook, or excuse me, the second hole from the hook. So now we have 1, 2, 3, and now we're just going to continue to do this for a total of 6 rows. So you want a row, excuse me, you want to have 6 rows of double crochets in a total of 12 stitches in each row. So go ahead, do this. Remember to chain 3 at the end of your row, and when you go to turn, you do skip that first chain. I do also want to note that you will be working into the 3rd chain of your turning chains. So here we are getting to the end, and I will show you what I mean. Here is a stitch. Now we are not done. We do have to work into the chain 3 right here. Sometimes that can be just a little bit tricky. You just want to work on getting your hook in there, just like that. There we go. And go ahead and count your stitches. Make sure you have 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. So go ahead and continue to do this until you have a total of 6 rows, and I will meet you back here. We will do the edging and work on the ending. Okay, so here I am at the end of my 6 rows. I like to just kind of pull on it a little bit. We are now going to chain up 1, and working down the side and around the edges, we are just going to do a single crochet. So into this first double crochet right here, I'm going to work a single crochet. And in this stitch right here, I'm going to put a single crochet in between this chain right here in this hole. So just continue to go around the edge and just work a single crochet all the way around, and I will meet you back here. I will show you how I do my fringe. So just work your border, and I will meet you back here at the beginning. Okay, so I have made my way around my project. Now I'm just going to snip off my yarn and secure that. And then I just like to pull it out to the sides a little bit. Now what we want to do is we want to go ahead and make our fringe. So the next step. So for the fringe, I do like to make one, I don't know, about the size of my palm. And we will be going back through and trimming these, so just kind of eyeball however large you want. So then at this point, I take 2 of my fringe pieces that I have made, and I'm going to attach it. So the way that I like to attach it is to just start in the corner and pick a spot. You take your fringe and you hold it in the center, pull it through your work like this, wrap it around, and just pull that through your 2 loops and pull it tight. And that's how you add on your fringe. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple of those. Okay, so next, after you see I have 2 here, you just want to go ahead and put them along both of the edges, just like this. And then I like to go through and just kind of shorten up the fringe a little bit. And I just eyeball it. I kind of just set it down. Again, this is once I have fringe all the way across. And I just go ahead with my scissors and cut it. And then that way it's just got a little bit more of that shag sleek look. So go ahead, add your fringe, and then there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please leave me a comment down below. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright you guys, I will see you guys next time for my next tutorial.